This road raging crazy driver in the white Chevrolet is having a huge road rage meltdown. I don't know why he was so angry, but he drives very recklessly. I have no idea why he was so mad, but then he throws something at the dashcam truck. Throwing things at other vehicles on the road is very reckless. But this guy doesn't care. I mean, look at how he's driving. But it turned out he had pissed off another driver, the driver in the white pickup. And that guy driving the pickup wants revenge. He cuts off the road rager, and I don't know, it kind of looks like the trailer made contact with the car. Let me know what you think. I'm not entirely sure. The guy driving the car is very angry. But this is what he gets. Don't mess with people on the road. You might find somebody crazier than yourself. And in a little bit, the road rager is going to pull over to confront the dashcam driver. There he goes. It's time to pull over. He wants to fight. I'm pretty sure about that.
You okay?
I think he kind of looks like the electronic artist Moby. Let me know if you think the same thing. Angry Moby. Anyways, the dashcam truck drives away, leaving him in the dust.